Hello everyone and welcome to my channel IQ Booster AR. And in this video I'll be updating you with the current affairs of 4th of August. So the first question for today is, which country's army chief appointed himself as the prime minister recently? The right answer is C. Myanmar. In the starting of this year, that is in February 2021, the political party leader Aung San Suu Kyi won the Myanmar election by majority of votes, and the military of Myanmar found this suspicious, after which Aung San Suu Kyi was arrested by the military. It is clearly written in their constitution that if the military found any type of false means in the election, they can take over. So, after Aung San Suu Kyi was arrested, their military took over and the military general Min Aung became Myanmar's president. Now, if we talk about Myanmar, its capital is Naypyidaw and its currency is Myanmar Kyat. And now, the second question is, which country approved the sale of Harpoon Joint Common Test Set to India? The right answer is C. USA. USA has approved the sale of one Harpoon Joint Common Test Set and related equipment for an estimated cost of 82 million US. Harpoon is an anti-missile system developed and manufactured by Boeing Defense, Space and Security. The foreign military sale is expected to improve India's capability to meet current and future threats. The deal also includes Harpoon intermediate level maintenance station, spare and repair parts, support and test equipment. Now, if we talk about Boeing, its headquarters is in Chicago, USA, and David L. Callahan is the CEO of Boeing. And now, the next question is, recently, in which country all the doctors living in the country will be granted golden visa? The right answer is D. UAE. All the doctors living in UAE will be granted the golden visa. Now, what is a golden visa? The person whosoever is granted a golden visa can live in UAE for 10 years. Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt, Shah Rukh Khan and tennis player Sania Mirza are some of the Indian citizens who got the golden visa. Now, if we talk about UAE, its capital is Abu Dhabi. UAE's first nuclear power plant is in Abu Dhabi. Its currency is UAE dirham. And now, the fourth question is, recently where India and China have established new hotlines? The right answer is A. Sikkim. Now, what is hotline? We can call it direct line, in which a phone is directly connected to another phone, and the hotline between the two countries are guarded by the army officers every time and every day. This means that the hotline have very tight security. Indian military said that it will improve the relationship between the two countries. In the inauguration of this hotline, the local commander of both the countries were present. Before, there were only 5 hotlines between India and China. And now, with this new hotline in Sikkim, the number of hotlines are increased by 6. Now, if we talk about Sikkim, its capital is Gangtok. If someone asks you which was the first state in India to imply organic farming, the answer for that is Sikkim. And earlier in India, the farming of saffron was only in Jammu and Kashmir, but now it is allowed in Sikkim too. And now, the fifth question is, who won the title of Hungarian Grand Prix 2021? The right answer is D. Esteban Ocon. Esteban Ocon won the title of Hungarian Grand Prix 2021. You must be hearing this name for the first time in the racing world. Mostly, Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen and Sebastian Vettel are the ones winning these races. Esteban Ocon is from France and he is Renault's racer. And now The sixth question for the day is, which state UT in India signed a memorandum of understanding with JSW Foundation to restore Mughal gardens? The right answer is D. Jammu and Kashmir. The government of Jammu and Kashmir has signed a memorandum of understanding with the JSW Foundation for the conservation, restoration and maintenance of the Mughal gardens at Shalimar Bagh and Nishant Bagh in Kashmir. These two are among the 6 imperial gardens proposed to be nominated to UNESCO as World Heritage Site. The estimated cost of this project is 7 crore. JSW will provide technical and financial support, and the government of J&K will provide assistance and funding for the project through support resource and other infrastructure. Now, if we talk about Jammu and Kashmir, its capitals are Srinagar and Jammu. Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winters. And Manoj Sinha is the governor of J&K. And now, the seventh question is, which search engine company launched a new bug bounty platform for bug hunters? B. Google is the right answer. Google has launched a new bug bounty platform called bughunters.google.com during the 10th anniversary celebration of its Vulnerability Reward Program (VRP), which allows bug hunters to submit issue with a single intake form. Here, the bug we are talking about is not an insect. The bug we are talking about here is a failure or flaw in a computer program. Now, if we talk about Google, it was established in the year 1998. Its headquarters is in Mount View, California, United States. Its CEO is Sundar Pichai. And now, the eighth question is, fund of how many Indian rupees were released under the NSSH to provide financial support to SC/ST entrepreneur? The right answer is A. 120 crore Indian rupee. During a session in Parliament, Union Minister for MSME Narayan Taturane stated that fund of 120 crore Indian rupees were released in fiscal year 21 under the NSSH National Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe Hub to provide financial support to SC/ST entrepreneurs. It is a 50% increase compared to 79.65 crore Indian rupees allocated in fiscal year 20. Now, if we talk about National SC/ST Hub, its headquarters is in Delhi. And now, the ninth question for the day is, recently, who became the recipient of the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak National Award for the year 2021? The right answer is D. Cyrus Poonawalla. And now, who is Cyrus Poonawalla? You must have heard of Serum Institute of India, that is situated in Pune, Maharashtra, which is developing Covishield, a COVID vaccine. Cyrus Poonawalla is the president of the Serum Institute of India, and its CEO was in talks recently, Adar Poonawalla. Fortune launched the list of world's top 10 greatest leaders, and Adar Poonawalla was the only Indian to be in the list of top 10 world's greatest leaders. His ranking was 10th in that list. Jacinda Ardern, the Prime Minister of New Zealand, was at the top of that list. And now, the last question for the day is, which Indian state started the Har Hit Store scheme for self-employment of youth? The right answer is B. Haryana. In order to make Haryana Berozgar Mukt Rozgar Yukt by 2024 on the lines of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Chief Minister of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar, launched Har Hit Store scheme to encourage youth towards self-employment. The launch of the scheme was made by inaugurating a store during a program held at Panchkula, Haryana. As a part of the scheme, a chain of grocery shops will be opened in rural and urban areas to sell the best quality daily need products at reasonable prices. In this regard, Haryana Agro Industries Corporation Limited (HAICL) inked terms of trade with 51 corporate houses which will provide their quality products to these stores along with IT support system. Now, if we talk about Haryana, Bandaru Dattatreya is the governor. Its capital is Chandigarh and Sultanpur and Kalesar are the two national parks in Haryana. So that's all for today. And please give your feedbacks in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.